until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? A portion of southeast Texas, including the following areas: Bolivar Peninsula, Brazoria Islands, Chambers, coastal Brazoria, coastal Galveston, coastal Harris, coastal Matagorda, Fort Bend, Galveston Island, inland Brazoria, inland Galveston, inland Matagorda, Matagorda Islands, and Wharton. When? Until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: additional rounds of heavy rain will be possible along the coast through the evening hours. Brazoria County has received the most rainfall today, with upwards of 6 inches falling between Angleton and West Columbia. Additional totals of 2 to 3 inches is possible through this evening, so the flood watch will remain in effect through 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Heavy rain is currently offshore.
Well, kind of cut out a little bit there. By the way, I'm not sure if they toned it or not. Mind you, this alert was issued while I was at school, and of course I keep all of my radios on. Actually, I keep this one off while I'm at school, because the power supply was, you guessed it, dead on fucking arrival for this thing. So, I don't know if they toned them. I mean, based off of what I heard, the final, when it said repeating, a flood watch remains in effect, usually if it has the words repeating, I would guess that they toned it. I don't know. If another one is issued, like if it's extended or expanded, we might find out if a flood watch is toned by HGX.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kaufman County, western Henderson County, northern Ellis County, and northeastern Navarro County until 11:30. A severe thunderstorm located near Palmer and Foreston to the east at 40 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for southern Kaufman County, western Henderson County, northern Ellis County, and northeastern Navarro County until 11:30. A severe thunderstorm located near Palmer along I-45 moving east at 40 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. And we'll take one more quick look at the radar here at 10:38.
Cool.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kaufman County, western Henderson County, northern Ellis County, and northeastern Navarro County until 11:30. The thunderstorm located near Palmer and Foreston along I-45, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kaufman County, western Henderson, northern Ellis, and northeastern Navarro County in north central Texas until 11:30. A severe thunderstorm located near Palmer and Foreston, moving east at 40 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. And just a quick radar update. We still have strong storms underway.
Okay, WBAP decided not to even include the hazard and not even the hazard. I'm assuming that this was a continuation. I honestly don't know. Maybe, maybe not. But still, WBAP, you should have freaking included the, what the hazard was, 60 mile an hour wind gusts.